Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be trying the top-down method from A Type of Beautiful. She is active here on YouTube and on Instagram, and she is very popular for her plump method that she created. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So the top-down method first starts with cleansing your hair and then applying a leave-in conditioner to give proper slip, since we will be using a brush. So after we apply leave-in, we're just going to section the top part of our hair off, and then we're going to clip the remaining bottom half of hair just to keep that hair from going anywhere. And like the name entails, the top-down method, we're going to start with the top part of our hair. So you're going to want to brush your hair straight up with whatever brush you prefer. I'm going to use the Denman. And then you're going to apply either a foam or a mousse to the roots of your hair. And after that, you're going to apply a cream of some sort. I don't want too heavy of a cream, so I'm going to pick a curl activator. Today I'm going to use AG Recoil because it is both moisturizing and it does contain protein. After you apply your cream, your final step will be to apply a gel. Both the cream and the gel can be applied using praying hands and then scrunching in afterwards. Okay, so we're moving on down. Next section we're going to do is the sides of our scalp. So when sectioning off the sides of your hair, you're just going to create an L shape. You're going to do this on both sides of your head, and just like with the first step, we're going to clip back the remaining of the hair in the back. So yeah, it's just that easy, to be quite honest. You're going to section your hair, brush it, and then apply products. One tip that A Type of Beautiful mentions, and I think is really important, whenever you're sectioning off your hair, especially when you're creating the first and second sections, make sure those splits or those sections that you do with your fingers are going to be the areas where you part your hair whenever your hair is styled and dried. So once your hair is done and you scrunch out the crunch and it's all good, you're going to be able to part your hair naturally like this because you created those parts in the styling process, and you won't have to rip your curls apart or separate them at all. So once the sides are done, we're going to take the remaining hair in the back of the head that we have left and just split that in half. And then from those two sections, you're going to take this top section, clip back the bottom section, and then brush it upwards, apply your mousse, your cream, and your gel all over again as best as you can, because this is the part where it gets a little difficult. Once we start styling the back of the head, you're going to want to start rotating your head to the left and to the right, just so you don't have any wonky pieces or pieces that are sticking to your scalp. The top-down method is going to be great if you're seeking volume and definition for your hair. I like to think of it as combining the great qualities of both upside-down styling and upright styling together into one, because with upside-down styling, it's favored for people who want volume, whereas upright styling is favored for people who want to be able to create their part and not have their scalp show in the back of their head, get any cowlicks and stuff like that. Fun fact, I actually don't like the cold weather, so I don't know why I get so excited over seeing snow. Okay, so now I'm going to diffuse, and A Type of Beautiful, in her video, she does pixie diffusing. I am such a lazy person when it comes to blow drying. My blow dryer just gets so heavy, so I like to just lay my blow dryer with my diffuser attached onto the bed, and then I'll kind of just do my own little lazy plop right in front of the blow dryer on low heat, low speed. And this is only to get my roots dried. My roots, they take the longest to dry in my opinion, and the hair around my roots take the longest to dry. So I just do this for about 5 minutes until I feel that my roots are dry enough to where then I can pick up my hair, and then I'll go into pixie diffusing. Ta-da, here's the outcome. Look at my hair. Okay, so I'm really surprised. I'm really happy with the outcome. This is my first time trying this, y'all. I'm gonna keep doing this method because if this is the first time what it looks like, I think I can just only get better at styling my hair this way. It creates the best of both worlds of both upside down and upright styling. I have volume, I have definition, and I have easy ways to part my hair, because everyone with wavy and curly hair knows that sometimes you just get a really wonky, weird part, and it's difficult to correct it once your hair is dry. So definitely give it a try. I 10 out of 10 recommend you checking out this method. Is it revolutionary? No, it's not like, oh my God, the world is saved, but I mean, it's just essentially sectioning off your hair and evenly distributing product that way. But it just makes me realize that putting that little extra work in during your styling process really helps to have a great hair day outcome. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you want. I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day wherever you are in this world, and I will talk to you later. Okay, bye.